Hi everyone, now Wednesday, rainy day, all day rain, and we're going to eat to SM City Clark because Shaira don't want it in home. Ritas, what new? Shawarma very popular, but today not so many people here. In Nassau always many people in the same. Shaira want order in new restaurant, in Chinese new restaurant in SM Clark. I will show to you menu now. This is Chinese restaurant, it's menu also. Have Nea Matcha, Tokyo. With the same menu we eat together with Shaira in Thailand. Terminal 21, we order always like this. Yes, same. For 35 baht, it's about 80 maybe peso. But here 208 peso. Shaira already sit. This is restaurant is simple, but it's okay. It's okay for us. We don't want to sit inside because aircon. Singaporean restaurant. It's not Chinese. No, Chinese, Singaporean is the same. Singaporean favorite. Shaira, what you order? This one.
And then it is for me, and then this for you.
I already show. We can try. First time here in this restaurant.
I think it's same in Thailand.
Yes, I already checked. In Thailand it's 35 baht we pay before. Terminal 21, you remember? Same. Okay, we can wait foods already. Today rain, very few people even here, even in SM. And Wednesday, and now 6:15 p.m. Heavy rain every day.
Every day.
What is this?
It's vinegar.
Vinegar, okay.
This one is vinegar also, but
Also different vinegar.
like this vinegar.
No, I don't like.
It's good.
Already have foods. Yes, the same. Only in Thailand have cucumber, yeah?
Yes.
Here, what is this?
Crackers.
Cracker sauce only. And chicken different. But the same. And your menu, Shaira?
Yes, a three. It's 279.
279 peso, including drink.
Yes.
What is this? Okay, thank you. Also chicken, rice, and what is? I know in China.
China.
Yeah, yes, I know. It's also good. In Chinese egg, sauce. Okay, we will try. Spicy, not spicy. Good. And chicken, how about chicken?
Same in Thailand.
Same. With soy sauce.
Yes. Same in Thailand. Really.
Mhm.
Good.
And fry rice, yes? In Thailand only have soup also, including soup. But here don't have soup. But also okay. Spicy, yes? No spicy? Mm.
It's good for rice.
For rice.
Or you can cook it here, the chicken.
Mhm.
You can try.
We finish already eating Singaporean restaurant. It's not Chinese, it's Singaporean restaurant. What Shaira say? How good?
Yes, it's good.
So you want again?
Yes, it's good. Really, I can come back there because it's like simple food, but it's so fragrant.
Okay.